This thing in sport mode definitely rides a little different than mine did. I won't do it. David's gonna just keep it rolling. Actually, let me see.
Now I'm going.
All right, man. What's up, everybody? This is Nick with Twin Turbo. Today, I bought a new Stinger, GT2. This thing's pretty sick. If you're wondering what's in my hand, we got the Mikey Premium, and since Christmas is coming up, we're gonna give you a 10% off discount code. Link down below, code Twin Turbo. I already have an install video on this, by the way, but we are going to show you just how easy it is one more time. So let's get going. Also, David is going to be picking up the MBRP Pro. You guys aren't going to want to miss this video because this is the exhaust that I had on my Stinger, but we're going to be putting some secondary mid pipes on this thing. This one's pretty sick, dude. It's got the Napa leather and it's red. Keep that.
Timid, Nick.
All right, yeah, just leave that bitch rolling, bro. All right. I'm glad that you took the initiative to vacuum it up real quick before you came over for a YouTube video. What do we have here, my friend? Yes, we hit a 60. Love it, dude. Thank you, brother.
Hey,
Yo.
you got that stuff?
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Yeah, buddy.
We got the Mikey Premium today, boys. 10% off discount code for this for Kia, Hyundai, and Genesis. All kinds of different models. This is a DIY plug-and-play remote start. It also has a built-in turbo timer, which is sick. 2021 Kia Stinger GT2. I put this in. Will you let me do a POV drive?
Sure.
All right.
Especially after the exhaust and downpipe.
We got a surprise. We're gonna be doing something awesome to this thing. This thing's gonna be a totally different car when we're done. Mikey Premium has these priced, I think, for like 330 bucks. And I just picked up an X1 for the winter, all-wheel drive BMW X1. The same, not Mikey Premium makes it, but Eurotech or something. Dude, guess how much it is?
How much?
Guess.
Two?
Same thing, plug and play for remote start.
300.
950.
What?
Welcome to BMW.
Wow.
Yeah, so you guys complaining about Stinger car part prices, yeah, go check out BMW. Yeah, it's priced awesome. So let's go ahead and get started. So you'll see one there, a hole there, and a hole there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of stick your finger in there, and there's a little like clip you pull towards you, and then we're gonna unhook this little light here. I can't get away from the Stingers, bro. And then this, I think this actually, you can just take it out like that. It's easier. Okay, so step one, remove that. Just gonna plug these two in here. And then the factory harnesses, I'll show you in a second, are these three colors. So when we remove those, we're gonna put the male connectors into the factory ones, and then the same corresponding colors into the female. This is what you want it to look like. These switches have to look like that. The left two need to be flipped up, and then the bottom two on the red part need to be flipped down, and then all the black ones are flipped up. Okay guys, so on the GT2, I noticed that there's two rows here. There's one tucked all the way to the left, and then there's one tucked here. So this row here appears to be the same on all the install videos. Ones I've seen on YouTube and mine, this far left one is the one we want to go for. No, it's just, okay, so wait, no, we were right. So look.
Oh, Nick is just too lit.
Lit, bro. Okay.
Okay.
I'm like OCD, I need to hear it click. Okay, I'll let that slide. And last but not.
Why is it screaming?
You just voided your warranty. Okay, let's test this out. One. All right, now go in there and I'll show you what I'm talking about when you put your foot on the brake. You put your foot on the brake and you're good to go. You don't have to hit this. Yeah, see? It does everything for you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It doesn't shut off. That's awesome.
So that's it, man. That's plug and play. So now all we have to do is just throw this cover on. Yeah, tuck it in, dude. Tucked in or out?
What y'all think? Tucked in or out?
Thanks for the copyright. Let's see if we can hide it first.
Okay. There we
Let's try to put it back up in here. Yeah, because look, this carpet is always like this.
Yeah,
but there's like a space back here.
Yeah, let's do it.
I feel like if I pull that forward.
Just hide it in there. Yep.
I mean, you're not gonna see that. And then the wires too. We could do that. That'll make it so much nicer, bro. That you have the back lined up first. There's like these little tabs back here. Push it in. Simulate some bumps. Pull on it.
Nice.
Look at that. Can't see nothing. Pro install. Hello. Let's go. I got Stinger parts for sale. Hit me up. Yeah, you notice how your mirrors fold automatically when you close it? Factory key fob, one click. Click it once. Now wait a couple seconds. Now do it again. That's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, see now it's flashing. It's gonna do its thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, dude, money well spent, brother.
Not working.
JB4 is not working?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Try resetting your Bluetooth, man. All right, guys. 2021 Kia Stinger GT2. This one has the better screen. Look at this. This is something I didn't have. Sport mode. And the freaking seats hug me. The GT2 is fire, so thanks, brother.
No problem.
Some pretty cool differences here, man. He's got the torque, the boost, and the oil. It's awesome. GT2. How long have you had this now?
A little bit over a year. Yeah, JV4 is on.
It's on?
Yep.
All right. We're going to do map 3 when we do the secondaries. And
To the track to do my quarter mile again because I went this year, but I don't think I did very well.
So let's go, bro. Hopefully this May. I mean, I'm obviously in the process of getting a house, but I don't know, man. I scheduled a test drive for an M340i.
Dang.
This thing in sport mode definitely rides a little different than mine did.
Right?
For sure.
Like you can feel the suspension a little bit different.
Yeah, it's more like that M3, bro, where the ride's a little rougher. And that's good. Like, but I feel everything that's going on in the road. I think that's such an awesome thing when they make the seats hug you and turns it like into like a sports sedan for sure.
Yeah.
The E30 map 3, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh.
Yeah. Tried it on map 4, right?
Yeah, you launched my car in map 4, dude. Oh my gosh. You really feel it in the seat. Because map 1 and 2, honestly, the car runs a little better with mods, but it's like, I don't really notice a huge difference.
Yeah.
But these things pull hard, man. It's just that low down torque. Okay, so what do we have here, my friend? I love this thing. Let's do a launch. Perfect spot to do a launch. Oh my gosh, this is sick. So map 2. Yes, we hit a 60. Love it, dude. Thank you, brother. Dude,
Did you miss it?
Sick. I know.
I'm there.
Every time. This engine's so well balanced, don't you think?
I think so.
It's just like it pulls like a champ.
Yeah. I agree. Yeah.
Video,
Thank you.
I'm gonna hit that guy.
Yeah.
And then I'll schedule something to put everything on at once.
Yep.
For sure, dude.
So
Let's do it.
say goodbye.
All right, dude. David, GT2. You guys have to check out that other video where you launched my car and you messed up. I'm gonna throw that.
No,
clip in there.
don't.
It's a fun time. He launched it in map 4 too, man. So it was sick. Cool. Well, until the next video, guys, we're gonna be doing the MBRP and the downpipes, and it's gonna be sick on the GT2. That's an awesome combo. I know you guys are wanting to hear. I can't wait to hear it. So holidays, it's busy, but it's coming. Don't worry. So cool. Till the next one. Peace.